how to set side button, double press to open camera in selfie mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here. So scroll down and click on side button. So after click on side button, so you will see double press is here. So click on double press. So if you want to set side button double press to open camera selfie mode, so click on camera, go back to home screen, refresh phone and double press side button. You will see selfie mode is on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set side button to double press to open camera in selfie mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.